All of you who've come today, this is a very special Kairos moment. I think about all that has transpired in our nation and in our world, and this is the right time, the right place, the right day for the art of living to come and talk about peace. All who love peace, let me hear you.
Ladies and gentlemen, Washington, D.C. and the whole world, we declare open the Art of Living 4th installment of the World Culture Festival.
We're all busy and we have our own things to do, but I think that when you start seeing a lot of calamities and tragedies that keeps repeating itself, you start saying, you know what, I want to be a part of it, I want to help. Gurudev has been helping everybody to do that. There's no other way.
I have never performed in an audience this big before.
We know that this celebration will inspire peace, kindness, and a love of the global community.
So many people, so many different cultures.
It's the most exhilarating experience I've ever had in my life.
We need more of these very sorts of celebrations. We need peace and meditation. Gurudev, Sri Sri Ravi, Shankar, thank you for your actions for world peace and our planet.
I'm speechless. You know, it's a blessing.
The World Culture Festival for bringing all these different people together from around the world to witness one another and how much energy it brings to people.
It was different out there. Maybe one day we will all be united as one like we do here.
Oh, it felt amazing! Amazing that we got to be on such a huge platform. Never dreamed something like this before. Everyone is just full of love and really understanding that we're in it together. It's beautiful.
The vibe here is terrific. The amount of people that have come out to support. It's been a really unique experience for us to get to be a part of this.
In an interdependent world, the art of living has been an inspirational example, and I personally have seen the difference that they have made.
We were like, yeah! Oh, just like hyping each other up and like you just feel so connected.
It felt as though only one person was watching. God upstairs. I want it bigger. Let's make it 10 million. Let's do a worldwide watch. And so the more we bring him up and we let him see it, oh!
Thousands and thousands and thousands of people here. Quite honestly, we've been an accident-free site, which is extraordinary.
Life is too short to think about conflicts. Let's commit ourselves again on this occasion to bring more happiness. What do you say?
Gurudev, Shri Shri, thank you for what you believe in. Thank you for your effort to bring people together from all over the world.
My husband met Gurudev on a number of occasions and requested him to continue to spread happiness to the people of Japan.
Sri Sri Ravi Shankar is the world's best ambassador for peace.
Gurudev, there's one country in the world that has to be in total gratitude with you, is mine. If it wasn't for you, Gurudev, peace in Colombia wouldn't have been possible.
If there were an alien that landed on this earth and they said, take me to your leader, I would point them to Sri Sri Ravi Shankar.
Let's celebrate our life.